Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. 6 note cards today. 3-3. We're gonna do some classifying of polygons. So we're gonna install some terms and definitions that you will use. And today, in 2015, is the Friday before the Michigan State game. So in honor of the proper school, we'll be using a yellow note card with a blue pen. Alright, so you can do the math on that. The first note card is trapezoid. So please start there and get that guy in, and we will draw some trapezoids. Now the way that I draw, not construct, but the way that I draw trapezoids is I like to use a protractor, and I'm going to use this ruler piece here because those lines are parallel. So I'll do another one skew here. Maybe we'll make this side shorter, maybe just like that, right? And then I'm going to connect these guys right here. So there you go. So what is a trapezoid? Well, it has 4 sides, so it's a quadrilateral. And the easy way to remember a quadrilateral 4 sides is for all my brat people out there, right? Quad, 4 wheels. Quadrilateral. One pair of, and the reason we did this is because we get parallel sides on the top and bottom. Same thing over here. Okay, so quadrilateral with one pair of P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L sides. Okay, so that is a trapezoid. It's quadrilateral, and we'll start adding this notation. That means parallel, right? So if you have one here and one here, that means those are parallel. All right. So that is trapezoid, and the next one we have is parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram is our next shape. So quadrilateral has one pair of parallel sides. Let's draw some parallelograms and see what we've got for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to say that's parallel to that, and I will say those are parallel to that. And then let's do a more traditional, or a pretty simple parallelogram. So I gotta pause this. I might have a fire going on over email. So do this. Alright, so let's finish this guy off. So here's what I'm getting at with this guy. So same kind of thing, parallel, 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 parallel. So a parallelogram is four-sided, so quadrilateral. R-I-L A-T-E-R-A-L. Quadrilateral. Woo! Spelling. That's an issue, man, for me. Quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. And kind of the other way you can write parallel sides is you can do a couple upright lines like that. So two pairs of parallel sides. I might have made that one up. I have to double check on the interwebs, but I'm pretty sure that's a form of notation. Maybe it's Mr. Howard's self-created notation. I'll check on that later. But regardless, quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. Okay. So that is parallelogram. Trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. Parallelogram has two pair of parallel sides. Okay. So moving on. Let me leave this guy up for you. The next one is rhombus. Rhombus. So rhombi. That would be plural for rhombus. Rhombi. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna sketch this one. I'm gonna mark it like this. Ding, ding, ding. Right? Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So let's get this kind of action working. This kind of action working right here. These are obviously straight lines. So let's say, so rhombi have four congruent sides. Quadrilateral, D, oh, it's not just a quadrilateral. These are parallel as well, so let's scratch that off. So it's a parallelogram with four congruent sides. Okay, so that is a rhombi. And I just remember four equal sides. Maybe you could go ER, the ER. That was a popular show back in the day. It's probably a little dated for you guys, but ER, emergency room, equal sides rhombus, or whatever works for you. So that is that. Next one is a rectangle. And the rectangle is, you guys have all seen rectangles, so let's draw a rectangle. There is a rectangle. So here's another rectangle. So both rectangles, couldn't even see that. Two rectangles. So what do we have with the rectangle? Well, we have this, and this, and this, and this. So we have, well, if they're all right, these are going to be parallel. So we have a parallelogram with four right angles. Last one square. I'm gonna let you guys handle this. So I want you to think, pair, share it. So just write down what you have. So think, pair, share, back of note cards. So just write down what you have all by yourself. That's the think part, solo. And then you're going to share it out and collaborate. When you get here, this is 2 is a pair, and then share it out. We'll either share it out in our group or group and class. So be ready for that. Okay, so you guys run with the square. Alright, so regular polygon, we're going to finish with that. We've already done square in our groups and on the boards and all that.